Is your Ninja Sizzle lid not closing properly? Maybe it's getting stuck, popping back up, or just won't lock down? This usually comes down to heat expansion, stuck food bits, or misaligned plates. Let's fix it step by step and get that lid working smoothly again. Step 1. Let it cool completely. Unplug the sizzle and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. The lid latch and hinges expand slightly when hot, which can stop it from closing cleanly. Step 2. Inspect the hinge and latch areas. Once cool, open the lid fully and check the hinges and the latch connection point. Use a damp cloth or soft brush to clear out any grease, food particles, or debris. Step 3. Remove and reinsert both cooking plates. If the grill or griddle plate isn't seated right, the lid may be misaligned. Remove both plates completely, then reinsert them carefully until they click into place. Step 4. Close the lid slowly and test alignment. Try closing the lid slowly from halfway. If you feel resistance, lift slightly and realign the lid before closing fully. Don't force it. Step 5. Reset if needed. Still stuck after adjusting and cleaning? Unplug the unit for 10 minutes to reset any internal latch sensors or cooling faults. That should fix your lid issue and get your Ninja Sizzle back in action. Still stuck? Contact Ninja Support. The link is in the description below. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling.